Hello and welcome to Community Chats. I'm your host, Aley Hammer, and today we're interviewing Dr. Silvia Pfeiffer, the CEO and co-founder of Coviu Global. Dr. Pfeiffer, thank you so much for being here today. I was wondering if I could begin by asking you to tell us a little bit about Coviu Global and your amazing growth over the last 12 months.
Hi, thanks for having me. So Coviu is a telehealth platform, a telehealth software solution hosted in the cloud. And we offer healthcare providers the ability to have calls like these, video calls, with their patients. And the idea here is to improve access to care. We grew a lot over last year, during the pandemic. We started by doing about 400 consults a day, and we raised it all up to 1 million consults that we were delivered during the whole of last year. We did, about 25,000 consults a day. So there was a massive growth and a massive impact, which wouldn't have been achievable without AWS's help.
Wow, 1 million. That's incredible. And despite the challenges of 2020, it's so fantastic to hear that Coviu Global was able to be there to provide telehealth services to those most in need and those people who, couldn't see a doctor in person. So, Dr. Pfeiffer, can you provide us an insight into why you founded the company and how the AWS Activate program has helped begin your journey into the cloud?
Yeah, we founded the company because we can see that the healthcare industry is becoming more and more digitally astute. We know that the future of healthcare will look different, and we know that with telehealth, with video telehealth particularly, we can reach the further corners of the planet with better access to healthcare. So our whole goal was to provide a fairer access to healthcare to everybody, no matter where they are, whether they are at home and having a mental health problem, not wanting to leave their house, or living in the furthest corners of Australia. Now, with AWS Activate, we have been in AWS from the start, and we started in about 2012. At the beginning, we got a little bit of help, just getting started and setting up our servers, etc. But it really kicked in last year during the pandemic, when we were growing to such big numbers. And we're really struggling with the growth. The AWS Activate program helped us to bridge over a cash flow problem before everyone was starting to actually pay for the services, and was really very helpful for AWS also during the time when we had this growth and we might have had some technical problems.
Well, we are so happy that we could help. And Dr. Pfeiffer, Coviu Global uses technology to more efficiently deliver care to those most in need. So can you share with us a little bit about how you're able to do this?
So we have obviously a platform similar to this, where we offer video telehealth, but we go far beyond that, because in healthcare, when you deliver a video service, it's not just about seeing people, it's actually organizing them to come to that consult. It's doing the bookings, it's managing payments. You need to be able to take credit card payments as well as Medicare reimbursements. It's the whole workflow around it. You want to have follow-ups afterwards, etc. And the other aspect that we really focus on is helping clinicians provide the best possible service online. So that includes things like giving them clinical tools to do standardized assessments, to calculate range of motion via a video analysis or something like that, and to really support the clinicians with the work that they need to do.
You must be so proud of your entire team. And we're so excited to be working with a company that's literally changing the lives of so many people around the world. So Dr. Pfeiffer, what's next for Coviu Global? Do you have any exciting future projects that you can share with us, or what's coming up next?
So last year we focused big time on Australia, and we're very proud with a small team. We were still below 40 people. With a small team, we have achieved so much for Australia, over 1 million consults, and really helped in keeping the pandemic at bay. Now, next year, or this, in the next couple months, we are really looking towards the US and introducing our technology into the US to help over there as well.
Well, I really look forward to following your journey and watching you succeed overseas. So good luck with everything. Finally, just one last question that we're asking all our guests in April. What future technology trend do you think will have the largest impact in your business in 2021?
That's an easy question to answer. In healthcare, we see a lot of technology being introduced, but nothing will have as much impact as artificial intelligence and machine learning. For me, the goal here is to actually use those technologies to improve the way that health professionals can deliver healthcare services. Because the last thing we want is to replace healthcare practitioners. We still need an emotional connection to our clinicians. We need to build trust, etc. The ability of digital technology to give clinicians better information, better prepared information, decision support, and also, first ideas of what it might be, and an ability to not overlook something. It's just outstanding. So we're really looking forward to introducing all of this into video telehealth as well as into healthcare in general.
Dr. Pfeiffer, thank you so much for your insights and for coming on the show. And it's been really interesting to hear about your company and the rapid growth that you've had, during a pandemic. So thank you so much for joining us. And to all our viewers at home, we'll see you next time.